Have you ever wondered how traditional Chinese medicine views the energy pathways inside our bodies? In TCM, these invisible networks are called meridians. You can imagine them like rivers, lakes, even the vast ocean. Channels that carry life force, or qi, throughout your whole being. Hi, I am Jimmy. Today, we're exploring a special group of acupressure points known as the Ying-Spring Points. The name might sound complex, but here's the simple idea. These points are like tiny mountain streams at your fingertips and toes. Ancient healers believe stimulating them could help regulate heat and energy in your body, supporting balance, especially during stressful times or changes in weather. Have you ever felt extra irritable, had dry eyes, gum swelling, mouth sores, dark yellow urine, constipation, or trouble sleeping, especially when seasons shift? If so, you're not alone. TCM calls this internal heat, and the Ying-Spring Points are traditionally used to help soothe it. Let's dive in and discover how each point is connected to a specific organ system, along with easy, gentle massage techniques you can try. First, a quick note. This is for education only. Self-care is wonderful, but always check with a doctor about serious symptoms. Now, on to the 12 Ying-Spring Points. First, lung heat, yuji point, fish border point. Found at the fleshy bulge below your thumb, this point is linked to the lung system in TCM. Gently massaging here may cool internal heat and support throat comfort, especially helpful in dry autumn weather. Second, heart weakness, laogong, palace of toil, point located in the center of your palm. Try massaging this spot in circles with your opposite thumb for about 10 minutes, 2 to 3 times a day. Some believe it supports calm, heart health, and restful sleep. Third, heart heat, shaofu point, lesser palace point. With a loose fist, notice where your pinky touches your palm. That's shaofu. If you're feeling restless or tossed and turned at night, massage here for 5 minutes to promote relaxation. Fourth, large intestine heat, urgent point, second space point. Feel the side of your index finger near the base of the finger. There's a natural hollow. It's said, regular pressure here may be helpful if you're often bothered by digestive upset, especially early morning discomfort. Fifth, sanjiao, triple burner, heat, Yemen point, fluid gate point. Located between your ring and pinky fingers, close to the back of the hand. If your eyes or mouth feel unusually dry, or you're feeling hot with a sore throat, hold and massage this point for 5 minutes. Sixth, small intestine heat, changu point, front valley point. This point is at the outside base of your pinky. Massaging in small circles here is believed in TCM to help ease head, ear, and throat tension. Seventh, spleen and stomach heat, dadu point, great metropolis point. On the big toe where it meets the foot, regular massage may support digestion and ease discomfort after eating. Eighth, liver heat, xingjin point, moving between your big and second toe. Try some gentle pressure here if you're bothered by red, dry eyes or facial tension. Ninth, heart-kidney heat, rangu point, blazing valley point, on the inside edge of your foot behind the big toe's base. Gentle massage, 2-3 minutes, may help balance energy, especially for older adults. 10th, stomach heat, knighting point, inner court point, between your second and third toes. Pressing here softly with your thumb can be refreshing for your digestive system. 11th, gallbladder heat, jiaxi point, striding stream point, located on the top of your foot between your 4th and 5th toes. Gently massaging or warming this spot is believed to support comfort when there's tension or discomfort around the gallbladder area. 12th, bladder heat, zutongu point, connecting valley point, on the outer side of your little toe. This point is often used to support relaxation and clarity, especially if you feel hot or tense across your head or face. As you can see, most Ying-Spring points are right at your fingertips and toes, making them super easy to find at home. You can gently discover them while you watch, pause, and try it alongside the video. Remember, in TCM, balancing your body's heat and energy is about small, thoughtful routines, not quick fixes. Regular, gentle acupressure may support your sense of harmony and well-being. If you enjoyed today's wellness tips, please subscribe, like, and share. Let's help more people experience the beauty of traditional Chinese medicine. See you next time.